Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Today I've got a little bit of a special video. Unfortunately, the original file was lost, so I can't do the original unboxing that I was planning on doing. However, I can give you a view of what was in the packaging. I just can't show it to you the moment it was opened. Sorry. So inside the box of this very special item, the Acer Predator Helios 300, which is a gaming laptop, and I'll go over the original specs in just a moment. So it came with a little envelope. Inside the envelope was the normal stuff that you get when you get a new computer, you know, the little user's guide, the quick start guide, and if you have any questions or problems, contact customer service at this number. Then inside it had a really nice box that held it inside of the big box. And inside the box was the Predator itself, as well as the charger block for it. So the charger block is a nice sturdy one. It's a bit heavy, but for the size of it, it makes sense that it was that big of a block. Then there was the Predator. Now the Predator does have a blue theme to it, so you get blue fins on the back, which are really nice vents. Then on the side to the left, you have the lock opening, so you can put in one of those, what are they called, Kensington locks or something like that. So you get the lock, then you get the power plug, you get an Ethernet jack, two USB high-speed 3.0 or 3.1 ports, and a headphone jack that doubles as a mic jack. Then on the right hand side, you've got a full HDMI, a mini or micro display port. Then you've got another USB, that's the high-speed 3.0, 3.1, and then you have a USB-C. So you can use the USB-C cables like for cell phones and whatnot. And then the machine itself. So the specs of the machine are an i7 9th Gen 9370, if I remember correctly, the H model, a GTX 1660 Ti. The model that I got originally came with 16 gigs of DDR4, but I've upgraded it to 32 gigs. It also packs a 256 gig NVMe boot drive, which I added a 500 gig drive to add additional storage. It's a NVMe drive as well from Samsung that I had, so it's got right now about 3/4 of a terabyte, but I'm going to be upgrading that one more step up to a full 1 terabyte drive as well as the 500 gig. It does have two NVMe capable M.2 slots plus a full 2.5-inch bay for a additional hard drive or SSD. It has really nice wireless built in. I haven't gotten to do much with it because right now I don't have internet at home, but I used it at Starbucks. It did really well. It seems to also have a very good reach. I was picking up from a park, I was picking up stuff that was more than 100 meters away. It has HDMI 2.0, not the standard 1.0 or 1.4. It also has a 144 Hertz 3 millisecond response time refresh rate screen in the 1080p, so it is a really nice high refresh rate, high def screen. So it also has not only the keyboard that has RGB to it, but also when it's powered on, the Predator logo lights up blue, and it only turns blue, but it's really neat that it has such an interesting design. Also, one thing that you will note is that although it does have several screws at the bottom, I think it's about 10 to 13, it is extremely simple to dismantle and go inside and do those upgrades for RAM and hard drive storage. So if you are looking for a really nice laptop for gaming or video editing and rendering, which is what I have it for, is the rendering and editing, it is an extremely powerful and good laptop that has a very, very nice feel to it when you're using it. It's easily upgraded with the upgradable parts. The only two downsides that I had about it is the very small storage space and the fact that for a laptop it does not include any SD card reading capability built in. The system does also have a webcam with mic. I've not tested it much, but it did seem to be pretty decent quality when I looked at it, but I've heard others say that it's really bad quality, so we'll have to do a video soon using that. Aside from that, just an extremely nice, responsive laptop that is extremely powerful and seems to be very, very nice when you use it. It just is smooth as can be. There is one other, I guess, negative, the finish to it. You probably can't see it on my camera, but it does pick up like a fingerprint smudge type thing just by handling it. But that's a lot of laptops these days, so nothing to worry about there. But anyway, I just thought I'd share this video with everyone, let you see what the Helios 300 from the Acer Predator line looks like. And that's it for today. So if you like our video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and ask me what you want to ask, whether it's about myself, the channel, or anything else. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.